Anuj had some chocolates and he divided them into two lots A and B. He sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 2 and for 3 chocolates and the second lot at the rate of 1 per chocolate and got a total of 4 rupees 400. If she had sold the first lot at the rate of 1 rupee per chocolate and his second lot at the rate of rupees 4 for 5 chocolates, his total collection would be how much? 460 rupees 460. Find the total number of chocolates he had. So find the total number of chocolates. We have to find the total number of chocolates he had. So how many chocolates? And some chocolates. First lot and two lots are there. Lot A and lot B. He sold the first lot at the rate of for 3 chocolates he sold it at rupees 2 and the second lot the rate 1 rupee per chocolate and got a total she got a 400 rupees. If you had sold the first lot at the rate of 1 rupee per chocolate and second lot at the rate of 4 rupees for 5 chocolates, his total collection will be 460. Then we have to find the total number of chocolates he had. This is our question. So let's do the problem. Letter A has chocolate. How many chocolates? X chocolate. Lot B have Y chocolates. Then total number of chocolates in A and B have X plus Y. Price of 3 chocolates is equal to rupees 2. Price of 1 chocolate is equal to 2 by 3 rupees. Rupees 2 is 2 by 3. Number of chocolate is equal to X. Price of X chocolate is equal to 2 by 3 X. X chocolates are there. Price of X chocolate is equal to rupees 2 by 3 X. Then price of Y chocolate at rupees 1 is equal to Y. According to question, 2 by 3 X plus Y is equal to 400. Then 2X plus 3Y whole divided by 3 is equal to 400. So we get a 2X plus 3Y is equal to 1200. Equation number 1 we can write. This is equation number 1. Well, price of X chocolate is equal at rupees 1 is equal to rupees X. Okay. Then price of 5 chocolate is equal to rupees 4. And price of 1 chocolate is equal to rupees 4 by 5. Price of 5 chocolate is equal to 4 by 5. Then according to question X plus 4 by 5 Y is equal to total is 460. So taking LCM we get 5X plus 4Y is equal to whole divided by 5 is equal to 460. So 5X is equal to 5X plus 4Y is equal to 460 into 5. So which is equal to 5x plus 4y is equal to 0. 6 5s are 30, 3, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So two equations we get. This is equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 we get. So we get two equation. What is 2x plus 3y is equal to 1200. Equation number 1. 5x plus 4y is equal to 2300. Equation number 2. So first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 1200. So equation number is multiplied by 5. So 5 2s are 10x. 5 3s are 15y. 5 12s are 60. So 6000 we get. Then this is the second equation is multiplied by 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 10x. 2 4s are 8y. 2 into 23, 46,600 we get, isn't it? So after solving this we get so 10x minus 10x subtract one equation number. This is equation number 3, equation number 4. So 3 minus 4 we get this becomes 0. 7y is equal to 1400. Y is equal to 1400 by 7, which is equal to 200. Then 2x plus 3 in place of y, 3y is equal to 1200. Equation number 1. So 2x plus 3 into y is equal to 200 we already got, which is equal to 1200. So 2x plus 600 is equal to 1600. 2x is equal to 1200 minus 600. So x equal to 600 divided by 2, which is equal to 300. So total number of chocolates is equal to total number of chocolates is equal to x plus y, which is equal to 300 plus 200, which is equal to Anuj have 300 plus 200, which is equal to 500 chocolates. Prove the following that tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to sec theta cosec theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Let's do the problem. Okay, RHS is equal to tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. We have to write in terms of sine and cos. So tan cube theta we can write as sine cube theta by cos cube theta divided by 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta plus cot square theta cot cube theta. We can write cos cube theta divided by sine cube theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta divided by Sine square theta. Sine cube theta divided by cos cube theta whole divided by cos square theta plus sine square theta whole divided by cos square theta plus cos cube theta divided by sine cube theta whole divided by sine square theta plus cos square theta whole divided by sine square theta. So first of all we can do this side, okay. So sine cube theta by cos cube theta into reciprocal of this cos square theta divided by what is cos square theta plus sine square theta? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. We already studied this one. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we get like this 1, we get a sine square theta plus cos square theta, we get 1. Then after simplifying this we get what will you get? Sine cube theta divided by cos square theta, 1 cos cube theta will cut, then we get a sine cubed theta plus cos theta we get. Plus, what is the sign over here? Here it is plus. Then this side we have to cos cube theta divided by sine cube theta into reciprocal of sine square theta divided by 1. So we get, simplifying we get sine square theta, here 1 cos cube theta by sine theta we get. Sine cube theta by cos cube theta plus cos cube theta by sine theta. So take a LCM, we get a sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta whole divided by cos theta sine theta. We already know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus this we can write like this, minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta whole divided by cos theta sine theta. So we already net this is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. So this is equal to 1 by cos theta sine theta minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta whole divided by cos theta sine theta. So we get 1 by cos theta sec theta, 1 by sine theta cosec theta minus 2 sine theta. The sine 1 sine theta will cut, 1 cos theta will cut. So 2 cos theta sine theta cos theta we get. This is RHS, hence proved. So we already know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if you expand this sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. So if you expand this we get a sine raised to 4 theta plus cos square raised to 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta cos square theta minus 2 sine square theta, add and subtract sine raised to, we want only sine raised to 4 and cos raised to 4. So to get that form, we are adding and subtracting these 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Sine square theta cos square theta. So we can write sine raised to 4 theta. This we can write sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square. We can write like this: cos square theta plus sine square theta, sine square theta whole square. We can write this term, we can write like this. We can write minus 2 sine square theta cos square. Like this we get this term, isn't it? Question number 30. Prove that a parallelogram subscribing a circle is a rhombus. We have to show that the parallelogram inside parallelogram circumscribing inside a parallelogram we can see a circle. We have to show that this parallelogram is a rhombus. Let ABCD be a parallelogram such that its sides touches the circle. What is a center? Circle O. So we already know that we have to show that this is a rhombus. We have to show that this is a rhombus. This parallelogram is a rhombus. So how will you do this one? We already know that tangent from an external point. What are the external points here? A, B, C, D are the external points. Tangents from an external point are equal. So AP and AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. Then PB is equal to BQ we are taking. Okay. Then another we are taking, the point is DR is equal to DS we are taking. And CR is equal to CQ. What are these? All the reason 1, 2, 3, 4 equation you get. All the reason is what? Tangents from an external point are equal. Then next we have to add, right side we have to add AP plus PB. We have to add AP plus PB. We get what we get? We should regroup AP and PB we should add. Then CR plus DR. So we get to see, if you add CR plus DR, we add, we get to CD. Okay. Then right, this is left hand side, right hand side also. We have to add AS plus DS. AS plus DS. We have to regroup AS and DS. So we have to take AS and DS. Which side we take, then we get this side. You have to check if you take AS, this side AS and DS take, we get AD. You have to check like that. So then next we have to take BQ and CQ. We have to combine BQ and CQ. So we get which side. You have to check that one. So AP plus PB is equal to how much? AP plus PB is equal to how much? We get AB. AB plus So AP plus PB is equal to AB plus CR plus DR is equal to DR plus CR is equal to, we get a CD. Okay. And AS plus DS is equal to how much? AS plus DS. AS plus DS we get AD, side AD we get. And BQ plus CQ we get BC we get. Plus BC we get. So this is a parallelogram. We have to show that this is a rhombus. So we have to write opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So AB plus CD. So AB and CD are equal. Opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. AB and CD. So we already studied that opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. So we can take AB plus AB plus AB is equal to AD plus BC. AD plus BC. So AD plus BC we can write AD plus BC we can write AD. AD plus AD we can AD plus AD we can write. So we can write 2AB is equal to 2AB is equal to 2AB is equal to 2AD. AA will cut off. AB is equal to AD. AD. So thus AB is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to CD. Hence ABCD is a hence ABCD is a rhombus. Hence proved. In the figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with the center O, and another tangent AB with the point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. What is the measure of angle AOB? We have to find the angle, this angle AOB. Okay. So these xy and x dash y dash are parallel to each other. Then parallel, these are parallel tangents circle. What is the center of circle is O, and another tangent AB with the point, this is tangent AB with the point of contact is C. It's the point of contact is C. These intersect at A and B respectively. Then we have to find the angle AOB. Let's do the problem. In triangle APO and ACO, AP is equal to AC. What is the reason? Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Then next one, OA is equal to OA. What is this? Is common. OA is equal to OA. Then PO is equal to OC. PO is equal to PO is equal to CO. PO is equal to CO. Radii of the circle. Then triangle APO is equal to triangle ACO by SSS criterion of congruence. Therefore, angle PAO is equal to CAO. Triangle APO congruent to triangle ACO. PAO is equal to CAO. CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, CPCT. It implies PAO, CAO. We can write this if you add these two angles, we get PAC. Angle PAC is equal to 2 times angle CAO. Angle PAC is equal to 2 times angle CAO. Similarly, we can prove angle OQB is equal to OCB. OQB is equal to OCB. Okay. These two triangles are congruent, we have to show. Then angle QBO is equal to CBO. Angle CBO. So, is equal to angle CBO. Angle QBO plus angle CBO is equal to CBQ we get it. CBQ we get it. So, this angle CBO and QBO we get which angle? We get CBQ we get. Bigger this angle we. Similarly we can prove triangle OQB congruent to triangle OCB. Angle QBO is equal to angle CBO. So we can write angle QBO plus angle CBO is equal to angle CBQ. So angle CBO plus angle CBO in place of QBO. QBO is equal to CBO. So in place of QBO we can write CBO. CBO plus CBO is equal to CBQ. CBO plus CBO is equal to 2 times angle CBO, which is equal to angle CBQ. CBQ is equal to 2 times angle CBO we can write, isn't it? PAC plus QBC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So we can write angle PAC plus angle CBQ is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Then, and which implies PAC we can write 2 times CAO plus 2 CBQ we can write 2 angle CBO is equal to 180 degree. From this 2 we can take it as common factor outside CAO plus angle CBO is equal to 180 degree. Angle CAO plus angle CBO is equal to 180 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. So we have to find angle AOB. We know angle CAO, since CAO plus angle CBO plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Of a triangle. But CAO and RBO we can substitute 90 degree plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOB is equal to, transpose this 90 degree to this side, so it becomes minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Question number 31. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting at least one head, at most one tail, a head and a tail? 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. So let's do the problem. 2 coins are tossed. The outcomes are head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head. So first one is probability of at least one head. So probability of getting at least one head. 1, 2, 3. So total outcome is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. So at least one head is 3 by 4. We can write 3 by 4. Then probability of at most one tail. So how here 1, 2, 3. At most one tail. Maximum one tail is 3 by 4. Again we get 3 by 4. Then probability of getting a head and a tail. Probability of getting a tail and a head is 1, 2. So 2 by 4. Probability of getting a head and a tail is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Thanks for watching.